You know talaga na a Chinese restaurant is good kapag nakikita mong puro Chinoys ang kumakain. Kaka-open lang nila recently and grabe full house na. And in fairness wala akong masabi sa food nila. As in literal na comfort food since these are heirloom dishes from their lola. Full house dito ngayon sa The Grand House. Dito lang siya sa San Juan. And ang cute ng restaurant nila, grabe. I mean, it really feels like home. They even have photos of their lola. And most of the dishes that I want to try are their heirloom dishes. And let me just tell you, I mean, parang ito na ata yung pinakamasarap na kyampong na natikman ko. I mean, it was so good. The flavors are on point. Partnered with tender pork and chicken. Sin kyampong na kag ito lang in order mo, sapat na. It was earthy, balance of flavors, and yung quality ng rice, grabe. So good. Another spectacular dish, the hongma with kwapao. Tender, flavorful, and succulent pork partnered with the softest kwapao. Tapos on a bed of shiitake mushroom pa. This dish for me is a total knockout, as in sobrang sarap. Another one of their heirloom dishes is the deconstructed lumpia. And this one, at least you can control the flavors kasi ikaw mismo yung gagawa. Nothing out of the ordinary, pero super solid na lumpia. For me lang, dinadamihan ko ng garlic kasi gusto ko talaga ng garlic. We love how calm and subtle lang yung flavors sa kanilang seafood fried noodles. For some, maybe it needs more flavor, pero sa amin, para it makes us grab more and more noodles pa. Nothing really special dun sa amas dumpling. It's your typical kuchay na dumpling, pero it's good. So we had a sizzling Grand House chicken, which is pretty okay din. Super tender chicken. Parang for me lang, I needed more flavor. Parang it lacks that umami kick. For dessert, mas order yung kanilang yatiao churros. Grabe, hybrid ng yatiao sa churros. Ang sarap, tapos dipped in chocolate. Perfect. Overall, yung feels dito sa Grand House, parang bumisita sa mga Chinese relatives ko. And their food for me is definitely worth coming back to. Enjoy!